modern agriculture machines that are at another level. In this era of advanced machinery, the agricultural sector is witnessing a transformative revolution characterized by machines that transcend the conventional, reaching a level that can only be described as extraordinary. These modern agricultural machines are not merely tools. They represent a synergy of cutting-edge engineering and a profound understanding of the challenges faced by contemporary farmers. From precision planting to autonomous harvesting, these machines embody a paradigm shift in agricultural practices, promising increased efficiency, optimal resource utilization, and sustainable farming solutions. The amalgamation of robotics, artificial intelligence, and data analytics has given rise to a new era in agriculture, where machines operate at a level that not only streamlines processes but elevates the entire farming experience. DeWolf GBC1. The DeWolf GBC1 emerges as a pioneering force in the realm of grain bagging, transcending conventional storage methods to offer farmers a cutting-edge solution that redefines efficiency. At the heart of this innovation lies a sophisticated bagging mechanism that streamlines the storage process. Unlike traditional silos, the GBC1 allows for the direct storage of harvested grain in bags, mitigating the risk of spoilage and preserving the quality of the crop. A technological marvel, the GBC1 incorporates intelligent features that contribute to its ease of use and reliability. Its user-friendly interface empowers farmers to navigate through the bagging process seamlessly, ensuring a hassle-free experience during the critical harvest period. Vogel Bale. The Vogel Bale machine emerges as an epitome of excellence in baling technology, where precision meets versatility to redefine the efficiency of crop harvesting. Tailored to handle a diverse range of crops, from the lush greenery of hay to the golden strands of straw, this baler stands as a testament to agricultural innovation. Central to the Vogel Bale's prowess is its advanced knotting system, a symphony of mechanical precision that ensures the formation of uniform, tightly secured bales. This not only streamlines the harvesting process, but also guarantees the integrity of the crop during storage and transportation. The machine's adaptability shines through, accommodating the nuances of various crops with a level of finesse that distinguishes it from traditional balers. Stick rakes. Stick rakes, though seemingly simple in design, represent a critical component in the arsenal of modern agricultural machinery. These implements, attached to tractors or specialized equipment, play a pivotal role in land preparation and maintenance, particularly in areas with dense vegetation or after crop harvesting. The design of stick rakes is a balance between durability and efficiency. Typically equipped with sturdy tines or prongs, these rakes excel in clearing debris, plant residues, and unwanted vegetation from the field. The adjustable nature of the rake allows farmers to customize its height and angle, catering to the specific needs of different terrains and crops. In-row weeder. The in-row weeder emerges as a beacon of innovation in the realm of precision agriculture, transforming the approach to weed management with a level of accuracy and efficiency previously unparalleled. This implement, often mounted on tractors or specialized equipment, revolutionizes weed control by targeting unwanted vegetation within crop rows with surgical precision. At the core of the in-row weeder's effectiveness is its ability to discern between crops and weeds. Utilizing advanced sensor technologies, often incorporating machine vision and artificial intelligence, the weeder can identify and selectively eliminate weeds while sparing the cultivated plants. Klaas Cougar. The Klaas Cougar, a formidable presence in the world of agricultural machinery, epitomizes the fusion of power, versatility, and technological sophistication. Often recognized as a self-propelled forage harvester, the Cougar is engineered to conquer the challenges of harvesting various crops with unparalleled efficiency. One of the standout features of the Klaas Cougar is its cutting-edge harvesting head. Equipped with an array of rotating blades or discs, this component excels in swiftly and precisely cutting through crops, such as maize, grass, or other forage crops. The adjustable nature of the harvesting head allows farmers to customize the cutting height and gather the optimal amount of crop material. Beyond its harvesting prowess, the Cougar incorporates advanced technology for crop processing. Case IA Steiger. The Case IA Steiger emerges as a titan in the realm of modern agricultural machinery, embodying the marriage of power and precision in the world of tractors. As a series of high-horsepower tractors, the Steiger is designed to tackle the most demanding tasks on the farm, from heavy tillage to large-scale planting and harvesting operations. At the heart of the Steiger's prowess lies its robust engine and powertrain. These tractors are often equipped with powerful, fuel-efficient engines that generate substantial horsepower, enabling them to pull large implements and cover vast expanses of land in a single pass. The advanced transmission systems contribute to fuel efficiency and optimal power distribution, ensuring seamless operation across diverse field conditions. The adaptability of the Case IH Tiger extends to its implementation compatibility. RoboTiger 6. The RoboTiger 6 stands as a symbol of innovation and efficiency in the realm of sugar beet harvesting, redefining the landscape of agricultural machinery with its specialized design and advanced features. As a self-propelled sugar beet harvester, the Tiger 6 embodies a level of sophistication that addresses the unique challenges associated with this crop. At the forefront of the Tiger 6's capabilities is its harvesting head, a marvel of engineering designed specifically for sugar beet crops. Equipped with a series of lifting shares, cleaning units, and conveyors, this component excels in lifting, separating, and transporting sugar beets from the soil with minimal damage. The adjustable settings of the harvesting head allow for customization based on field conditions and crop variations. One of the standout features of the Tiger 6 is its cleaning system. Incorporating advanced cleaning mechanisms, such as rotating rollers and sieves, this harvester ensures that harvested sugar beets undergo thorough cleaning before storage or transportation. Hoover Rocket. The Hoover Rocket, in the context of agriculture, is a versatile and powerful tool in the domain of crop spraying and pest management. As a self-propelled sprayer, the Hoover Rocket embodies efficiency and precision in the application of agrochemicals, contributing to the health and productivity of crops. At the core of the Hoover Rocket's capabilities is its spray boom system. This apparatus, often equipped with an array of nozzles, allows for the even distribution of pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers over the cultivated fields. The adjustable nature of the boom, both in terms of height and width, ensures that the spray coverage is tailored to the specific crop and field conditions. Precision in application is a defining feature of the Hoover Rocket. Equipped with advanced GPS and auto-steer technologies, this sprayer can navigate through fields with remarkable accuracy. Wilson's Supermove. The Wilson Supermove, a heavyweight in the realm of modern agricultural machinery, symbolizes the pinnacle of efficiency and innovation in the domain of grain handling and transportation. As a grain conveyor system, the Supermove streamlines the process of loading and unloading grains, redefining the logistics of grain management on the farm. Central to the Supermove's capabilities is its conveyor belt system. This robust and adaptable component serves as a conduit for the seamless movement of grains, efficiently transferring them from storage bins to trucks for transportation or vice versa. The adjustable speed and direction of the conveyor belt allow for precise control over the grain handling process, ensuring optimal efficiency during loading or unloading operations. The Supermove's adaptability is evident in its modular design. Often featuring telescopic conveyors, it can be extended or retracted to reach different heights and distances. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.